Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabil YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable auto update system on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, okay, go to software informations. Okay, tap this. And software information, you'll have to do is go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The developer mode has been turned on. And okay guys, okay, go back and go back again. And okay guys, now you can see the developer option here in settings. And okay, so you can see the developer options below, and you'll have to do is tap this and developer options. Okay, you can see here the auto update system, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the auto update system, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, apply updates when the phone restart. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled auto update system on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.